With COVID numbers on the rise and a holiday next week, you may be thinking about how to safely celebrate with your friends and family. Michael Sandlin is live in studio tonight. Michael, you talk with some people about how they're planning to celebrate. Also, a local health leader. Are they on the same page, though, about how to be safe about this?
Mel, for the most part, small gatherings, social distancing, and vaccines are all part of the plan.
I'm going to assure that the gathering is much smaller and shorter. I plan to go in and out.
Toledo locals I talked to today say the pandemic isn't going to stop them from having Thanksgiving next week, but they're also going into the holiday with some caution.
I've gotten 3 shots, 1 booster.
I got my booster about 2 weeks ago.
Dr. James Tita with Mercy Health St. V's says these people have the right idea.
We know that vaccinated people, even if they have a breakthrough infection, are much less infectious than those that are not vaccinated.
While the folks I talked to seem to agree that vaccines keep them safer, they differed on whether or not they would go to a party with others who haven't gotten the shot.
I just don't care. If other people have gotten the shot, great. If they haven't, okay, I'm all right. That's really all that concerns me.
I would not go. And so that does, and I have unvaccinated people in my family, so that makes the crowd smaller.
Dr. Tita says if you do end up going to a family gathering with people who might be unvaccinated or you don't know if they are, there are ways to try to stay as safe as possible.
Try to stay about 6 feet apart. Limit your exposure. We know that a significant exposure to COVID is probably in excess of about 15 minutes. Mask when you're able to, and that's probably the most important.
Dr. Tita says there is a concern going into the holiday season, as last year around this time we saw a significant COVID surge. But he's hopeful this year vaccines will keep the infection rate much lower. Reporting in studio tonight, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.